DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Let's see me answer gang. I see what I'll do today. Yeah man. There, this one is being getting requested a lot lately. You see me answer? Yeah man, artist new to the channel. I heard of him. I haven't gotten around to react to any songs that he has, but I've been meaning to. But lately y'all been blowing me up, man. Requesting this one a lot. You see me answer? Yeah. This one is called Eddy G Bomba, the one named Cesspool. We'll check it out on Sway Dog. I think this dropped a month ago for me. One of them. A month ago this dropped. You see me I say? But y'all been blowing me up. You see me I say? Big up to Derek Brand. Derek Brand requested that one. AJ6 requested, well not this one, but the Eddy G Bomba. You see me I say? But yeah, y'all been requesting Eddy G Bomba, so I got y'all gang. You already know what time it is, man. You see me? You question and I do it. You already know what time it is. Y'all gonna request react to this one. Eddy G Bomba. Not too familiar with his song. Familiar with his name, not too familiar with his songs. I haven't listened to much of him as yet, because I don't like to listen to him react to him. You see what I say? Eddy G Bomba, the one named Cesspool. I check it out and see what I deal with now. Very much longer. Let's get it, gang.
Music.
They be my pull up, she stay around, look how smelly he
Yeah. This shit was playing randomly on my YouTube and I had to skip past this shit, bro. I was like, hold up. I can't react to this shit. I was like, I can't listen to this shit. I gotta react to it. Yo! Big up yourself, AJ and Derek. Oh, yeah, man. I heard a little piece at the beginning. I'm like, yo, this sound like it got bad. You see me? But I didn't remember what artist. Yo, yeah. This thing got chopped different on this shit. This shit named Cesspool.
Music.
Bro, I'm loving the new I'm loving the new artists and the new music, bro. I like their style. I don't care what nobody talking about this chopping shit. I go die or move up. You see me? I'm loving the new style and this new style. I like that old style too. You see me? But we gotta embrace this too, man. You see me? I say. Oh, yo, listen to this shit. I heard this shit. I wanna
pull up. She stay around, look how smelly he see, and I say me must taste like syrup. My bank book I lift weights and push up heavy. When it stink like a cesspool, watch it bend sensor, swing off a belt loop. Lift a UFO, me drift guard and Neptune, away find time that we sit down. No.
Man's style different, bro. Couple seconds in, but the style different, bro. The man a get a style like he not even a chai. You see me? He not even a, bro. Come on. I don't know why, but the dark style just get you hype, bro. I don't know why. The style just get hype. You see me?
They be my pull up, she stay around, look how smelly he see, and I say me must taste like syrup.
Yo, you know the beds pull up, see there, look up, smell it, see, and I say me must taste like syrup. You see me, I got cologne, my youth. Know them things that my youth. Know them things that, hey, the dark full of style now, come in.
They be my pull up, she stay around, look how smelly he see, and I say me must taste like syrup. My bank book I lift weights and push up heavy.
Come in.
When it stink like a cesspool, watch it bend sensor, swing off a belt loop. Lift a UFO, me drift guard and Neptune, away find time that we sit down for men's tune. Them know I say me sick mind I catch flow. On the phone tone.
No, this bad. The man say money sit, you know sit, watch it bends, king, and I sing off a bends look. Bro, come in, Bomba, come in, pull it up. Me not think I don't get it, you know. I found you have style, you know, bro. I don't think you're catching the style, you know. You see me sometime about the energy and the style I sing, and I really, you know, if it do too much, and she energy and the style, right?
I pull up, she stay around, look how smelly he see, and I say me must taste like syrup. My bank book I lift weights and push up heavy. When it stink like a cesspool, watch it bend sensor, swing off a belt loop. Lift a UFO, me drift guard and Neptune, away find time that we sit down for men's tune. Them know I say me sick mind I catch flow. On the phone tone switch and me catch gold. Dog in the rich or the head.
On the phone tone switch and me catch gold. Hey, I hear the man, you know that.
Flow. On the phone tone switch and me catch gold. Dog in the rich or the excuse. Money on the line close, spin all I make move.
Dog in the rich or the excuse. Shame. Come in.
Dog, you no rich all the excuse. Money on the line, close spin all and make move. Dog, me hot to take, me track suit babe. No chat to a great car, your fat shoes fit. Dog, me chop shoes state, me at gun page. My max 2K call me mangoose bread. The hell fat blue.
No, the man style bad. The man style bad, dog. Yeah, playlist tune this, you know. You already know that already, you know. You see me? They don't never tell a lie, you know, man. Sana, yo, the song about up the place, man. It's supposed to burn up the summer. I ain't into the holidays, man. Club is supposed to burn up with this.
Great car, your fat shoes fit. Dog, me chop shoes state. Me at gun page. My max 2K call me mangoose bread. The hell fat blue plate. Me that choose space. Me no wash screw face. Me we shot too big. Dog, the app's too late. Get you my pack suitcase. The Glock shoes straight. Run me pop.
Yo, they have too late. Get you my pack suitcase. Come here.
Shoeless. Money stink like a cesspool. Watch your bend sensor. Swing off a bed loop. Lift a UFO. Me drift gone and Neptune. Away you find time. That we sit down for mid tune. Them know I say me sick mind and catch flu. On the phone tone switch and me catch goon. Dog, you no rich all the excuse. Money on the line.
Yo, this man. Yo, nah. No. This full of too much. This got too much buzz, bro. This got too much. This got too much. Me no know, hey. This got too much sauce on it, bro. Too much sauce on it, dog. Yeah, man. That sauce, that's your pan this in the kitchen, man.
Close spin all and make move. But they talk about me, show you mean. Dog a reach pan the peak, dog a rich pan a level like a keys we a deal. And the dream of a real, drop a beast now the scheme.
Reach pan a level like a kills we a deal, you know, yo, just see me.
Be my wheel of a peel, we just scream up a bean. But you see, hug a teeth, must keen and a cheap ski. Mass and felt and a Reebok a beat. Elizabeth no caffeine and 3 cup a lead. Keyboard a weed.
Elizabeth youth, to you know my youth. Hey, when, yo.
I had to take, my track suit babe. No chat to a great car, your fat shoes fit. Dog, me chop shoes state, me at gun page. My max 2K call me mangoose bread. The hell fat blue plate, me that choose space.
Nah, man, this too much sauce there on this, yo. Too much sauce.
Screw face, me we shot
Too much
too
sauce.
big. Dog, the app's too late, get you my pack suitcase. The Glock shoes straight, run me pop shoelace. Money stink like a cesspool. Watch your bend sensor, swing off
a bent loop.
a bent loop. Lift a UFO, me drift gone and Neptune. Away you find time that we sit down for mid tune. Them know I say me sick mind and catch flu. On the phone tone switch and me catch goon. Dog, you no rich all the excuse. Money on the line, close spin all and make move.
Why you not rich why your excuse? Close pin panny line. Yeah. Man say money panny line or close pin and make move. Come in now, man. Uncle, big up on the damn self, you. Easy. Yeah, man. Nah, man. Eddy G Bomba. Eddy. You already know. You on the radar from that, nigga. You on the scope, nigga. So every tune they drop off your fire, cause you don't know say Jambisco then I go report on that. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, dog, that full of too much sauce, my youth. Come out of kitchen, Eddy. Come out of kitchen. Put it on. Let it ketchup. Go, come on. Let it hot sauce, my youth. You see me? Yeah, man, the one the peppery youth. Yeah, man, enough ketchup dash up on the one, them, man. To you, man, barbecue sauce, Alfred, everything. Rego, everything. Saucy. Yeah, man, gang, we know anything about the one day. You see me, I say, if you like, just show the artist some love and support, making us the dance, you know. You see me? Definitely drop in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, delivery, style. Bro, this song bad, you know. You know, no phone. I already know what you're going to say. That's the whole style of the song. That's how the man make the package the song. You see me? A little kind of offbeat pitch type thing. Bro. Yeah, it's that little no effort, but man fly too much style. That song, that's all the money have come to swag on that shit. You know what I mean? Which what he did. And that thing though. You want to start up the thing and call it a day, and that's all we needed, bro. The song that bad, Eddy G Bomba, Cesspool. When they think like a cesspool, what you be my kid, that's how you have a bit low. Play this tune that man, you see me? Because click this, send this to the artist. Eddy, you went crazy on that shit, nigga. You lost your mind, nigga. You went in that boot and you forget all of your senses. You turn idiot in that boot, brother. Pick up yourself. You see me? That mad full of sauce. This big breeze, blood cleat, woof woof. You see me I say, yeah man, them song are going too much sauce, man. Too much sauce, man. Yeah, man. Anyway, gang. Show the artist all over support, making us the dance, and dropping no comments, all that good stuff. You don't know. I done. Till next time, take care on yourself. Don't tell me some audio chip out this whole time. John Star. Yo. Don't tell me some chip out my blow audio, dog. How I going? Yo. Oh, okay. Audio gone. Anyway, till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.